Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to paint your photo on the Facetune application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and just select a photo from your gallery. New, at the lower bar you can find different editing option. New, just find the paint option next to the sky. Tap that. You can find different colors. You can find brush, shadow, liner, tones, glitter, or you can find the picker option too. So and you can use that. You can paint your photo, and if you finish, click the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.